Steve, a lot of my friends don't understand the difference between the fair tax and the income tax. And what's the difference between those? What if most people just decide not to pay a lot of tax and just buy a lot of
That's fine,
crap?
because the economy, see, all the studies say that what is going to happen now is that spending is going to continue to be the best way of monitoring growth in this country, in the sense that it's been the most consistent. Income tax revenues have gone up and down because people get laid off, they get reduced work in terms of time. But with a sales tax, it's been fairly uniform because people have to eat. They need a place to stay. They have to buy clothes. It's been a very uniform trend, and when the economy grows, instead of buying hamburger, your dad may bring home steak because he's making more money. So on steak, he's going to pay more tax. Did you see what I'm saying? It's a higher cost, he's going to pay tax. So what happens is that Congress gets rewarded in terms of the revenue that the government gets by the growth of the economy. Because the more people make, the more they're going to spend. And the more expensive things they're going to buy. Now, some people may not choose to spend. They may choose to save. But those savings are usable because people who start a business can then get funds in order to help start their business, which employs more people.
Right.
So savings and investment is so critical to being able to have an economy grow, because the investment is what allows people to become more productive, and productivity has historically, and I'm talking about for thousands of years, been the reason why income has gone up and the standard of living has gone up. It's been productivity, and you finance that through savings. So you get it both ways. You get it through people spending more money, you get it from people saving more money, and being able to further and further develop an economy that benefits everyone. The fair tax gets rid of all the problems of the income tax, plus it's a much more sane economic system than we have now. It eliminates all of the problems that we have with a 77,000-page IRS code, which nobody understands. And I mean nobody. And that's the secret to your future being even better than your parents.